the biggest creature that was a silent life without moving and innocent as elephants. Now, I would like to call Momit Varda to deliver welcome note.
Good morning, one and all. To present here today, I am Mohit Vardhan from first grade. I welcome you all for Special Assembly World Elephant Day. First, I would like to welcome management members, principal ma'am, respected principal ma'am, teacher and parents, and brothers and sisters, and my dear lovely friends. I extend a warm welcome to all the speakers and participants of this event. Once again, welcome you all.
Thank you, Mohit Vardhan, for your hearty welcome. Let us begin our assembly with a school prayer sung by Mithun, Purvita, Monica sisters.
Lord, we thank Thee for the night and for the present morning light, for rest and food and loving care, and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, and to be others kind and good. In all we do, in work or play, to grow more loving every day. Thank you, God. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, I can't get over it. So deep, I can't get under it. So high, I can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love.
Thank you, dear. Now, I would like to speak up importance of the day.
Good morning everyone. I am Darsh B studying in grade 1. Today I am going to speak few words about importance of World Elephant Day. World Elephant Day is an international annual event on August 12th dedicated to the preservation and protection of the world's elephants. World Elephant Day has been created to bring the world together to help elephants. It is a day to honor elephants, to spread awareness about the critical threats they are facing, and to support positive solutions that will help ensure their survival. Thank you. Have a fabulous Thursday.
Thank you, this for the very wonderful message. Now I would like to call Tanish and Fazal Pasha to say some facts on elephant.
Morning everyone, my name is Tanish from class 1. Today I am going to speak two facts about elephant. Elephants are the world's largest land animal. Elephants' trunks have mass scale. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Fadil Pasha. I am studying first standard. Today I am to speak two facts about elephant. Number 1. Elephant our forget. Second, elephant 16 hours per day eating. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanish and Fazal Pasha, for your wonderful fact. Let us have a rhyme time by Isha in English. Elephant walks like this and that. ಬಂತೊಂದು ಆನೆ. ಆನೆ ಬಂತೊಂದು ಆನೆ, ಕಪ್ಪು ಬಣ್ಣದ ಆನೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಆನೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಆನೆ, ಅಗಲ ಕಿವಿಯ ಆನೆ, ಉದ್ದ ಸೊಂಡಿಲ ಆನೆ, ಮೋಟು ಬಾಲದ ಆನೆ, ಚೂಪು ರಂಧ್ರದ ಆನೆ, ಶಕ್ತಿಶಾಲಿ ಆನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. Thank you, Naveshri. Now, in the rhyme by Shuhana.
Hi friend, my name is Johanna. My school name is Indo Sunrise International English School. I am studying first standard. एक मोटा हाथी घूमने चला, मगरमच्छ की जाल में जाके और फंसा। जाल को देख के डरा, दूसरे हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, इधर आ इधर आ। दो मोटे हाथी घूमने चले, नहरी नदी में जाके ऊपर से जाके और गिरे। पानी को देख के डरे, तीसरे हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, इधर आ इधर आ इधर आ। तीन मोटे हाथी घूमने चले, जाके और पिंजरे में जाके ऊपर से इशारे को देख के डरे। चौदहवें हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, इधर आ इधर आ इधर आ। चार मोटे हाथी घूमने चले, जाके और फंसे। चिकन को देख के डरे, पांचवें हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, इधर आ इधर आ इधर आ। पांच मोटे हाथी घूमने अपने घर चले, मकड़ियों के जाल में जाके और फंसे। मकड़ी ने देख के हंसा, उतना जाल उसने आगे हटाया। कूदने लगे, खेलने लगे, हंसने लगे।
Thank you, Shuhana. Let's start ready to watch a wonderful video on animal life.
You might already know that elephants are large and majestic, but the extent of their size and intelligence may surprise you. Elephants are the largest living land animal. On average, African elephants are about 10 feet tall at the shoulder and weigh up to 18,000 pounds. The largest elephant in recorded history, however, was 13 feet tall and weighed about 24,000 pounds. To sustain this massive size, an adult elephant has to consume an enormous amount, up to 50 gallons of water and about 220 pounds of food, or approximately 70,000 calories every day. Elephant size, however, ends up restricting their movement. While they can walk and swim, elephants are one of the few mammals that can't jump. Their legs are too slender to propel their enormous weight upward. Plus, elephants don't have any spring in their legs since they stand on their toes. Elephants are intelligent creatures. One sign of their intellect is their ability to recognize themselves in a mirror. The only other animals capable of doing this are humans, great apes, dolphins, and magpies. Intelligence is also found in elephants' ability to problem solve with tools, but probably the most well-known form of elephant intelligence is their superb memory. As they migrate from place to place throughout their lives, elephants can remember locations of water sources along their migration routes. Elephants are the only living animals with long trunks. Trunks, which are a combination of a nose and upper lip, can be heavy and powerful. They contain about 150,000 muscle units and can weigh nearly 300 pounds. While an elephant's trunk can lift objects nearly twice its size, it's also adept at picking up small objects. Flap-like projections on the end of a trunk are precise enough to pick up individual berries or leaves. Outside of grasping, elephants also use their trunks to greet and reassure one another. They may intertwine their trunks or touch the face of other elephants to show affection.
It was very beautiful video. I would like to request my fellow friends for mimicry sounds of animal. Harika, Charanjit, Manasvi, Janvi, Ruchita for mimicry sounds of animal.
Hi friends and teachers. I am Harika. I am studying in first standard. I am wearing elephant mask. Elephant is a big animal, wild animal. It has a long nose, big ears. I am making of mimicry animal sound. Dog, bow bow. Cat, meow meow. Sheep, maa maa. Lion, roar roar. Cow, moo 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 moo. Thank you.
Cat.
Meow meow meow.
Dog.
Bow bow bow.
Tiger. Cat.
Dog. 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 Boo 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 boo.
Thank you, Rachit, Charanjit, Harika, Manasvi, Ritvik, Janvi for mimicry sound of animals. Now my fellow classmates are waiting to say some slogans.
My name is Chirantan Singh. I am studying in first standard. My school name is Indo Sunrise International School. Today I am talking World Elephant Day. Let us not take away the pressure from our kids to see, to play and love elephants. Let us save them. Thank you. Till time and we can still save elephants to keep this earth a planet full of these cute and adorable creatures. Thank you.
Save elephants to save this world. Sir has gifted us with elephants, and it is our responsibility to save them.
Hi, my name is Pradyumna Ji. I am studying in first standard. My school name is Indo Sunrise International School. Today is Elephant Day. Let us work hard so that we don't become the Reason for extinction from the planet. Warm wishes and World Elephant Day. Thank
Thank you, Chirantan, Tanish Reddy, Manvit, Kiran Reddy, Ruchita Gowda, Tarjumna for your wonderful slogans. Now I would like to call Adya Reddy to deliver oath of thanks. Hello, I am Adya Reddy. Form and most gracefully morning to the humble management committee, respected principal, working teacher, parents and my dear friends, and everyone gathered here. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this event success. My gratitude to all the speakers for gracing the occasion. Once again, thank you, everyone. To all, thank you. Thank you, Adya Reddy. This is the end of today morning assembly. Stay healthy and safe. Now we are concluding our assembly with national anthem. Thank you. And have a nice day.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य